So friends, let's start with today's lovely, easy and delicious chana masala recipe. So here in a pan, I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, we're going to add 1 green chilli cut fine. Fry the chilli really well for about a few seconds till they turn a little bit white. Next, I'm going to add half an inch of ginger that I've just grated using a cheese grater, or you can also just coarsely pound it in your mortar and pestle. Now fry the ginger also really well. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of very finely chopped onion, and you're going to saute this onion for a whole minute on a low to medium flame till it turns nice and translucent. It's very important that the bagar is really fried well because that also increases the lifespan of the dish. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder or dhania powder, and I'm going to add 3/4 of a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. So this is not spicy, it's just for the lovely color. Now mix everything really well together. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chole masala or chana masala. Now in the description box I will leave the recipe of how to prepare this chana masala or chole masala at home, or you can also use the ready-made chana masala. Now I've taken 2 medium tomatoes and chopped them very fine. I'm going to be adding that. And now you're going to mix everything really well together. We want the tomatoes also to cook in this bagar as well as the onions. So let them fry for a whole minute on a low to medium flame. You can either stir continuously or you can stir in intervals. Now I'm going to add 1/4 of the cup of water. So when I was boiling the chana, there was some water. So I have retained that water. It came to about half a cup. So I'm adding 1/4 of it now. Because I want to cook now I'm going to add salt to taste. I want to cook the onions and the tomatoes well so they become nice and soft. I will leave the instructions on how to cook your kabuli chana. Now I'm going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of sugar. You can also add jaggery or gur at this point if you don't want to add sugar. Just a little bit of it. Now I'm adding the remaining 1/4 cup of water. And mix everything well. So I will leave a recipe for both how to prepare the chana and also how to prepare the masala, the powder masala. It's very simple to cook kabuli chana. You have to soak this chana for a good 7 to 8 hours, and then you have to pressure cook it in your pressure cooker for 1 whistle on high, and then simmer it for 10 minutes and then let the cooker cool completely. The chana should be such that if you press it, it should immediately, mash up. So now I'm going to cover and cook for a whole 5 minutes on a low to medium flame. After 5 minutes, I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of crushed kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. This really enhances the flavor of this chana masala. Now I'm going to mix it in well. And now I'm just going to sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala. If you don't have chaat masala, you can also substitute it with amchur powder, which is dry mango powder. Just about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Now I'm going to just add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well, and now we're going to cover and cook this on a low flame for a good 10 minutes, stirring in intervals. Don't leave it unattended. And after 10 minutes, our lovely chana masala is all ready. We just give it a nice gentle stir. And then you can turn the flame off and just garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander. And when you're serving it, serve it with a nice dash of lemon or lime. Now I'll also leave a recipe of how to make bhatures at home in the description box below, so you can serve this with bhatures. I'll leave a recipe of how to make whole wheat puris, so you can serve it with whole wheat puris as well. Do try out this recipe, guys. recipe. I hope you're going to give it a try. Do let me know in the comment section below what you thought of today's recipe. Thank you so much for visiting my channel today. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. So I'll sign off, but before signing off, let me tell you my message as usual, which is stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till we meet again, this is Akshata signing off. Bye.